Emergency Management Director, and we're here today to recognize two young men here from Antwerp Schools for taking the initiative to be able to provide face shields for not only first responders but healthcare workers throughout Paulding County, Defiance County, and Allen County, Indiana. And with me today is Congressman Latta, and he has proclamations for the two young men to recognize their achievements. So, Congressman, thank you for coming.
Hey, thanks very much, and I want to really thank both of you for all of your hard work. You know, as this pandemic started, I serve on the Energy and Commerce Committee, and health is underneath of us, and we had a real problem at the very beginning, and we still have an issue out there getting personal protection equipment out there for people. And we know that happened when the pandemic started, that the Chinese went around the world and started buying things before everybody else had like they say, they got a head start on us. And so we were kind of that proverbial behind that 8 ball trying to catch up. And so a lot of different things are going on. But, you know, in the 5th District right here where I represent, we've got so many folks like you make sure that we can get things done. And so from personal protection equipment here in Paulding County being made, plexiglass being made, but especially these face shields. It's so important for our first responders and also for people in hospitals. That it's been really amazing what you all have been able to do, again, on your own initiative. Nobody said here do this, and that's what makes America great. Americans step up to that task and get it done. So I really congratulate you both for what you've done.
Well, Congressman, why don't you present them with their proclamations?
Well, Eric, I have a proclamation just showing all of your hard work and what you've done for your area. Because again, it's citizens like you that make our country great. Because again, like I said, that no one asked you to do it, you stepped up to the task. So I want to congratulate you on a job well done. And I'm sure you're still making them, correct?
Yeah, I actually just got a request this morning for some.
How many more are you going to make?
There's actually 15 of them.
Oh, excellent. Well, thank you very much. Thank you. And Connar, thank you for your great initiative, for what you've done. And again, when you think about all the people you've helped, you know, a lot of times you might not see those people's faces or hear those thank yous, but I can guarantee you, from the people I've talked with who have been getting this equipment, they've been very, very thankful for it. Because again, they can't do their jobs safely and meet with people, and especially with patients, and do it safely without your help. So congratulations, and thanks for everything you've done.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Young men, I have proclamations from the commissioners. They apologize for not being able to be here today. And also recognition on behalf of the Paulding County EMA. I appreciate everything that you've done, and as the Congressman says, the ability to step up at a time of need that really helped us a great deal early on, and we can't thank you enough. So thank you again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Get a lot out there as soon as possible. And I mean, we had a lot of filament stacked up for a while. Christmas came around, that's all I was asking for. It was just 3D printer filament and parts of the printer. Just anything that I could do to get any of my printers up and running, and anything as soon as possible. Doing a lot of the ear savers. Teresa made that schematic.
House.
Mr. Gaki took me out.
Mr. Gaki, yeah. He pretty much helped me all the way through if I needed anything. He was there. But and then just pretty much started from home. And then as requests came in, they came in pretty hot, pretty heavily. So then I had ear savers. Also worked with General Motors out of Fort Wayne and Defiance, and made hand sanitizer mounts so they could mount on the wall. And that was what they were using.
Where'd you get your pattern?
Well, I found some online, and then I kind of modified it. So like when I first started, it was a pretty rigorous schedule. Like I had to wake up every 40 minutes to change out prints, and then I figured out how I could stack them. So like when I could stack them, then I could run like 20 of them at a time. It took 10 hours, so that at least overnight I could get those through.